Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only.
Alright, let's do the next one. Okay, Bandit 4. The password for the next level is stored in the only human readable file in the in here directory. Tip: if your terminal is messed up, try reset command. So your terminal will not be messed up so easily. Let's see what they are meaning to tell. Okay, so from the previous one, copy, create a node for user bandit for pass this one and ssh oopsie and change it to 4 and we're done. Paste it, copy, right click, paste, enter, clear, and now we got this. So what they are saying is there is an in here directory. Let's list that and cd to in here and list that as well. So we have bunch of files. So they are saying only one of them is a human readable file. In Bandit 1, we have seen how to work with hyphenated files or a dashed file names. Okay, the file names which start with dash. So for those things we have to use absolute path only. So let's try to cat one of the file names and see what happens. So there is some gibberish thing here which is not readable at all. So this is not a human readable format. So you can apply this to all the files. So that will be so tiresome, right? So we don't want that. So what we can do is use something called a wildcard. What is a wildcard? Okay, in normal card games we use wildcards, right? So a wildcard should replace any other card. So in similar ways we have wildcards in here. So we have few types of wildcards. I'm only discussing about two of them here. So which one is asterisk and another is a question mark. Okay, there are two types of wildcards. So we will use first one, we will use both of them with full path like this, or we can use pwd and use full path as well. So we don't need that, we will use from the current directory. So how to print that? So cat and this and file name. Here we can keep a question mark which represents a single character. Okay, either 0 or 1 or 2 or something like that. So if you try to do this, it's going to print all these files one by one. So something like this will happen. It's going to print everything. So if you see here, one of them is human readable, so we want only this part. So how do we get that? We can't just capture it something like this. It might include some other files, so we don't want that. So we want something specific, like let's clear this. We will use file command just like cat command, and let's try to do the same, question mark. So let's see what happens. Here we have an ASCII text on file 07. Okay, so let's copy that, let's cat only this one, and we got the flag. So until here you understood, right? So we got the flag, and let's try to use some other wildcard also known as asterisk. You type asterisk, it should include all these files. Okay, and it should give the similar output like this. Okay, let's see. As you can see, the output is similar to this one. So what does wildcard asterisk represent? How is it different from a question mark? So a question mark represents a single character, while this asterisk represent multiple characters, which means after this in this directory, any file with any name should be acted as an input to the file command. Okay, in this way we get all these files. So here we again file07 is there. You can use it with cat command and you will get the answer. Okay, that's it for this one. We'll see you in the next one.